One thing you can do when you are embroidering is actually stop and do a little sewing. And you don't have to take your embroidery module off. Let me show you what I'm talking about. What I would recommend is that you get to the end of a color. So you know that you're on color 2, for example, or color 10. And then that way we can get back to that exact point that you are set up for. So when you're ready, just come on back to, actually just stop, touch the home button. When you touch the foot with the zigzag, it's going to ask me to lift up the presser foot and then take the hoop off. I'll confirm. And notice that the embroidery arm moves over here. You will find if you have something short to sew, and this is not going to get in your way, you can just leave it attached. Right now the feed dogs are down, so you could bring the feed dogs up and then put a regular presser foot on and then go ahead and stitch. Right now I have also the straight stitch throat plate on. That's why I've got this big lock symbol, and I can only do straight stitch, so I'd have to actually change plates if I needed to do a zigzag. Then when I'm ready to go back to my embroidery, touch the home button, touch the hoop. Your design is still left on your screen. Go ahead and touch the Go Embroider button. The embroidery arm will move back into position. You can put your hoop on and then pick up on the color that you were left off doing. So you can sew with your embroidery module on and kind of toggle between sewing and embroidery.